Maurik Global performs catalyst changeouts in reactors at large refineries and chemical plants worldwide. The Maurik CleanCat catalyst handling system was developed to reduce health and safety issues and minimize the environmental impact of reactor loading. The modular system minimizes the number of forklift movements, manual handling, and crane operations, thus reducing the amount of time spent on changeouts. The handling system limits attrition and increases the purity of the loaded material. Because all elements of the CleanCat handling system were designed to work as one integrated system, the loading process is independent of weather conditions and adjacent activities around the reactor, while the environment is protected by the dust control integrated in the circuit. Since a catalyst changeout is tightly interwoven with other shutdown activities, Maurik has chosen a holistic approach to optimize the loading process. The CleanCat handling system combines solutions for storage, transport, and loading into one integrated system that allows for greater control over the work schedule and prevents delays. Although there are existing solutions that improve parts of the logistics around the loading process, like FIBCs and specialized catalyst containers, the number of transport and lifting movements still remains an issue. The CleanCat catalyst handling system offers one system for transportation, handling, and storage of catalyst. The main components of the Maurik CleanCat catalyst handling system are the CleanCat Dense Feeder, the CleanCat Dense Controller, the CleanCat ABS Conveying Pipe System, and the CleanCat ISO Cattainer. The dense feeder automatically cycles to convey the catalyst from ground level to the top of the reactor in low-velocity dense phase mode. Dense phase conveying uses higher system pressure with low differential pressure, which results in low particle velocity and, through the special ABS conveying pipe design, low attrition. This is a large contrast with dilute phase conveying, which uses low system pressure and high differential pressure, resulting in high particle velocity and high attrition, or continuous phase conveying, which uses medium system and differential pressures, resulting in medium particle velocity and average to high attrition. Catalyst is emptied from big bags, bins, or barrels into a feed hopper. Compressed air pushes the material cyclically from the vessel into the conveying pipe system. Inlet and outlet dome valves automatically cycle to maintain a slow-moving flow of catalyst to the reactor top. The continuous flow in a higher pressure of the dense phase mode creates an air cushion effect that protects the catalyst. The dense controller is positioned on top of the reactor during loading. The dense controller controls the velocity of the material in the conveying pipe. The material is coming from either a dense feeder or an ISO cattainer. The dense controller safely feeds the catalyst by gravity into an atmospheric loading funnel, which is feeding the loading pipe or sock into the reactor or dense loader. The vertical conveying system pipe works with an integrated air injection system, which stabilizes the material in the system and compensates for the loss of energy during the actual transport of the material. All air and vacuum hoses can be attached to and supported by a triangular trussing, which carries the ABS conveying pipe system. The CleanCat ISO cattainer was designed for the transport, storage, and conveying of 18 cubic meters of catalyst in one movement. One ISO cattainer can replace 105 barrels or 12 special catalyst containers. This dramatically reduces the number of lifts and the number of handling movements. The ISO cattainer protects the catalyst against weather and contamination, and also reduces the amount of attrition during transport or forklift movements. The ISO cattainer has the dimensions of a standard ISO container, so it can be transported by road, rail, or sea as a standard container. The ISO cattainer will be approved for moving hazardous materials. After unloading the ISO cattainers on site, they can be put in a vertical position by a special truck or by a crane. Each cattainer can be connected to a compressed dried oil-free air system, but the system can also be used with nitrogen as a transport gas, in which case special precautions are necessary. The Maurik CleanCat catalyst handling system reduces health and safety issues and minimizes the environmental impact of loading reactors. It greatly improves the quality of the loaded bed The integrated system offers independence from weather, logistics, and adjacent activities, resulting in a better and more cost-effective loading process. Because there are no interruptions in the loading process, the distribution and density of the loaded material is better than ever and will prevent preferential flow of the liquid or gas stream in the reactor bed. With the CleanCat catalyst handling system, Maurik introduces a radically new approach to catalyst loading. With CleanCat, Maurik can continue to be on the leading edge of integral catalyst handling.